Continuing on with concrete takeoff, let's say, for example, I want to go back to the cost database and I want to look for pile caps. So I did a find, and here's my pile caps. As I select on the pile caps, what you're going to notice is that the unit of measure coming out of the cost database is cubic yards, and that assumes then you might want to take it off in area and then the thickness. But in our case, we're going to go with count. Now, once I have the count, let's go ahead and make this pile caps a rectangle and maybe set its value to about 20 or so. Now, opening up the f of x button, I want to go ahead and create a custom formula. So this is going to be count times 4 feet times 4 feet times, say, 2 feet. And then I want to divide that all by 27 to get it into cubic yards. I put spaces in here. White space is discarded. I did not have to use any sort of parentheses, but if you were using math such as plus and all that, you could always use parentheses to selectively do the math with inside of parentheses before multiplying and dividing it. Now that I have this, good standard operating procedures would be to also indicate in my takeoff condition that this is a 4 feet by 4 feet by 2 foot pile cap. And I'm ready to go ahead and start drawing some pile caps. Now, the slab on grade is displayed at the moment, and if I wanted to take that out of the way, all I have to do is temporarily just go ahead and select on the folder of 02 tower because I'm in the garage. I want to go ahead and just kind of hide that temporarily so that I can go ahead and start creating my pile caps. Now, the first time I actually added a pile cap, that's where I should have stopped really and gone to the garage and then gone to the first pile cap so you can start seeing that would appear, and then I can continue to keep on it, adding more and more pile caps. After I've got a few of these, I can always go ahead and highlight over these, Control-C to copy, and that if I hover over the top left corner where I started my first one, I can always right-click and then paste my next set. With it still in the copy buffer, right-click, paste another set. And I can go ahead across the rest of the way as well. But what you will see, and I won't do that, but you will see that every time that I've added a copy, I'm getting more and more quantity for the cubic yards of pile cap.